For my action project, I created a clock that tells time in hours and minutes. It uses light to project the time onto the ground. My clock is effective in telling time because there are plenty of people who don't like watches and having to wear them on their arms. But everyone has to wear shoes, so I figured that having a time-telling device in a shoe made the most sense for the focus group my project is aimed towards. My time-telling device is better than others that are out there for the simple fact that it's different and unique. During the time that I was trying to research the history of my device, I found nothing similar to what my product is. It has something to offer that's totally different from any type of time device I've ever seen. There are a few common problems that I could see the sole time being the answer to. The idea of my time-projecting shoes actually came from an episode of Zack and Cody. In this specific episode, one of the twins had a pair of shoes that you could watch TV on. Ever since I saw that episode, I thought that it was one of the coolest ideas ever. So when I found out that I had the chance to create a time-telling device, my mind went straight to this. It would be awesome, and I could see it being practical in many situations. The shoe's real ancestors would have to be the projection clocks, which project the time on either the wall or the ceiling. My main focus for clientele at first was just the ordinary person, which is partially still the same. But recently I've been thinking that my device would be a good idea for people with Alzheimer's or dementia because it tends to be really easy for people with these disorders to forget small things like a watch or time or to bring their phones, etc. So with my new creation, it would allow them to always have the time with them, which I feel could potentially make a small part of their lives easier. The math concept I chose to connect to my project is arc angle. The arc angle is one point on a circle to the other connected to a middle, which makes the angle of an arc. The equation to find arc angle is 2 pi r divided by 360 equals arc length divided by the arc angle. Lastly, I found the volume of the LED light in the projector by using the equation pi r squared times the height plus 2/3 times pi r cubed.